I was like asleep at the
Dude, that's a big one. Holy!
Is that net?
You got it, man. You got it.
Dude, that's the 8-pounder right there.
There's your Florida bass. Get her up here. Holy, dude, that's bigger than 8, bro. What's going on, guys? Joe with Dinsmore Outdoors. Welcome back. We're out here on the St. Johns River this morning. It's windy. It's cold. It seems like every time me and Bubba decide to go fishing out here, a cold front always comes in. Lows have been like in the 60s at night, maybe 50s. And just the past night when we decided to go fishing, I woke up this morning, the temperature is 42 degrees. I think the water's dropped about 6 or 8 degrees in the past couple days. The bass are still on the beds at my pond. I don't know if they're bedding here, but we're gonna try some canals, fishing docks. We're gonna try some rocks. We're gonna try everything. So let's get back after it. The sun's just coming up. We've been out here already for about 30 minutes. Nothing's happening on top water. So I'm gonna throw a swim bait. I don't know what, Bubba, what are you tying on?
Chatterbait.
Bubba's gonna try a chatterbait. So let me put this camera down. We'll get the GoPro on. We'll get after it. If I'm gonna be throwing in Lake Okeechobee, my plan is to go find flat lily pads, fish the holes with real light. There you go.
Oh, dude, I was like asleep at the
Dude, that's a big one. Holy!
Is that net?
You got it, man. You got it.
Dude, that's the 8-pounder right there.
There's your Florida bass. Get her up here. Holy, dude, that's bigger than 8, bro. Got her. Got her. That's a PB right there, boy.
God, that is
a PB.
Holy crap.
Dude, that's an big old. Take your fish, man. Show her proud.
Oh, man.
Dude, when you set the hook, nothing happened.
I thought I was hung up.
Well, hurry up, get her undone.
I thought I was hung up.
Get her undone. We'll get her into live well.
She is stuck. She was going nowhere.
We'll get you in trophy catch, boy.
Oh, yeah.
We'll get you in trophy catch.
Oh, yeah, she was going nowhere.
Good. I got the good camera.
All right, let's go.
You said we always catch something.
Oh, man, I'm like, it's fire, dude. She's in there.
Oh, man. Oh. Here.
Whew.
Dude, when you set the hook, nothing happened.
I thought I was hung up. I really did. I thought I was hung up. Oh, my God.
She was out in the middle of nowhere, too, wasn't she? You might just have to cut the hook.
Yeah, I'm sorry, girl.
Yeah. All right, man. You got the slam started.
Good freaking morning.
New PB all day.
A new PB, it's got to be 8.67 was my PB before this. Oh, my arm's getting tired.
Hurry up, man. We'll take a bunch. Bro, so happy for you, man. So happy for you. I'm glad I brought the scales. I got the board. I got everything.
We're good to
We'll
go.
get you submitted in trophy catch and get you going.
Oh, hook her up.
God, I hope she'll hold. You ready?
Yeah. What do we got?
Oh, dude. £11.
11 pounds. 11.2.
Here, hold her so I can take a picture.
Yep.
No. You got to hold her on the scale.
Right.
Believe it or not, mine was longer.
Yeah.
Yeah. Close her mouth and push her up against it. All right. Watch out. This is where the cooler comes in handy.
25. What a slab.
Okay. Let's call it 19 3/4. I gotta take a picture though.
Yeah.
Here. Just quit sliding there.
Yeah.
Because I'm trying to get her on the fattest part, you know?
Right.
All right. You hold it.
Yep.
Actually, let's say 20.
Yeah. Get her back in the water. Let's get her back.
Bye-bye, big girl.
Oh, yeah.
Go make some babies. Grab her tail. She gone?
She gone.
She gone. There you go. Out in the open again. Dude, that's a big swirl. What the hell is that?
I don't know.
Ain't a bass. That might be a mud. That's big. Yep.
Ooh, big old boat, man.
Your turn. Fish grips, fish grips. Yeah, that's a big one. We ain't after no mudfish slam though, my friend. You got it? You want fish grips? Alright. Hey.
Broke me off, but at least you did it in the right spot.
Right. You get to clean my carpet after that. There's something else out here. I just saw it a minute ago. Should've. There it is. Oh, it's manatees. I thought it was a piece of a dock. It's two manatees just chilling. I'm sorry, y'all. Let me get out your way. My bad. Ooh. Look at that. Felt good. As Bubba would say.
That's where.
See, had a power pole and be like, Ree. Now we're like, hurry, hurry, hurry. Ooh, there he is. Nice one. That's a bass.
Yep.
All right, I gotta quit playing. You put me to shame. All right, we gotta weigh him though for the weight, you know. That's a 2. He'll go to scale.
Oh yeah.
Speaking of scale, where the hell did I put that thing?
Last I saw was on the chair, but you went in underneath.
Got it. .91.
There we go.
All right, grab him. Good job, man. All right.
Good. You gonna keep him alive long or?
Nah, we're going back. We got the weight saver on here.
Oh, okay. Now save it. Alright, little buddy. You got plenty left in you. You don't want it.
All right, scales in the bag. It has gotten way too bad out there on the main river. It's like white capping, so we retreated back into this creek and fishing the canals and it, because even the wind's so bad in the creek. And I'm still having engine problems. Even though it's running, it's acting like it's not getting fuel. I can't get it up over 3,000 RPMs until eventually it planes out, and even then I can't go over 4,000 RPMs when it's planed out. So it's acting like a fuel problem, because I can rev it up when it's in neutral, but the minute it's in gear, it's not wanting to act right. So I'll have to fix that when I get home. With Okeechobee only a week away. But today's been the all Bubba show. Him and his 11-pounder, another bass, and a mudfish, and all I've gotten is short strikes. But I got a fish. Finally. I thought that felt weird, man. He's a fighter now. That'll work. That's what I said. It looked too fishy in here. That felt weird, man. He almost felt like a stick. Little one. Go to scale. Let's see what we're up to now. Yeah, I finally got the skunk out. Yeah, well, hook sets are free. All right, 152. All right, man, are you ready to go? I'll let you go. Boom. Total for 14.46 so far. All right.